back to Toy Discoveries. Today, we're gonna learn all about shapes. But before we start learning, we have this really cool transport truck to help us out. A transport truck looks just like this in real life. It's a heavy-duty vehicle that's usually 2 floors, 1 and 2 levels. It helps transport many cars at once to a specific destination. But in this video, this transport truck is going to help us complete our puzzle. Each car that is on the transport truck is going to come off and help us find where each shape belongs. If you press the top over here, it makes noise. We're going to have all our cars come down. The first car is red. The second car is green. The third car is purple. And now let's get the rest down. So we click that part down, yellow, orange. Oh no, you forgot your shape, orange car. And blue. Okay, so now that the transport truck is empty, we're going to continue on with our puzzle. So let's say bye-bye to Mr. Transport Truck. I will also have a picture of a real transport truck so you can take a look at it. Bye-bye, transport truck. Okay, so now that all the cars have been transported off here, our first shape that is missing is a red circle, says Mickey. Where do you see a red circle or the color red? This one here is a red car. On it is a shape. It's a red circle. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it's a match. Let's move on to our second shape. Our second shape is a square. A square has 4 sides, and it's the color green. Do you see the color green? Is this green? No, that's orange. Is this green? Yes, that's the color green. And let's see what shape it has on top of it. It's a green square, what we've been looking for. Thank you, green car. Let's place it. Yay, it fits. Okay, Pluto agrees too that we have the correct shape. And Chip says it's a square. Let's move on to our third shape, right here. Donald Duck says it's a triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. And here it's the color purple. I think I see the color purple. It's right here. This is the color purple. And here's our missing shape. This is a purple triangle. 1, 2, and 3 sides. There you go. Our next shape is an octagon, says Daisy. And it's the color yellow. Do you see the color yellow? It's over here. This is the color yellow. Let's take the shape off. Thank you, yellow car. This is a yellow octagon. It's called an octagon because it has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. And it's a match. Let's move on to our next shape, which Mr. Goofy over here says it's a pentagon. It's the color orange, so this must be it. This car is orange. Let's take our shape off. Thank you, orange car. This is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pentagon. And it's the color orange, so we'll place it over here. Our next shape is a blue oval, shouts Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And it's the color blue, so this must be it. Whoops. This is called an oval. It's like a squished circle, an oval. So let's place it over here, and they were correct. It fits right in. Our next shape is a pink diamond, says Minnie. But where is our pink diamond? Our dump truck brought the last 2 shapes in. A pink diamond and a brown rectangle. A dump truck is used on a construction site or a farm, and it has a big basket in the back so it can be loaded with lots of stuff. Like in this video, we loaded it up with our last 2 shapes. Thank you, dump truck. I will also input a photo of a dump truck so you can see what it looks like in real life. We're going to continue on with our peg puzzle. So the dump truck brought us 2 more shapes. Minnie Mouse says that this is a pink diamond, and this right here is what a pink diamond looks like. A pink diamond has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of like if you took a square and you squished its 2 corners close together. And now we have a pink diamond. It's the color pink. This one right here says chip. It's a rectangle, and it must be this one here. A rectangle has 1, 2 long sides and 1, 2 short sides, and it's the color brown. And our puzzle is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Toy Discovery's channel so next time you're notified when a new video comes out. Until next time, bye!